Y'all don't know, but this is my car right here. I don't know why he's on it, but okay. Yo, son, I wasn't even recording, but I forgot to tell you, like, I have a coolant leak. Nice to meet you. The lady, she was like, it's $500. How y'all doing? I have 500. Oh, they're watching me. Cars. What up? Yes. I don't know where. I'm waiting for the other dude to come. But hold up, I'm gonna get a picture right quick. The homie doing her thing.
That's Turbo Mike.
Turbo Mike. Oh, don't play games. All right. I pay you $5 a video. $5. Okay, come on, boy. It is Slinger, right? That's a dude.
I mean, I can't be these.
The wheels.
I want to paint those like that.
Those,
I'll change the profile of the tires, lower them down.
He just gonna leave. Hello. We go to our fruits. CB slinging the good boy.
It's a little bigger than our stocks. Our stocks are 260.
Hey, I would, yes.
What? That's only a 3.7. It's only a 3.7.
Hey, it doesn't matter. What happened to that Charger? Hello.
Anywhere specific to park at, or?
Anywhere.
Wherever you want. I was gonna say,
Yeah, oh yeah, I remember that.
It looks like Dit Man.
Y'all missed all the good shit. You missed all the good shit. That
Do it.
Focus is not a fucking.
where you been?
Grab it. Oh, look at this. Spins, buddies.
Yeah, they're the fastest cars in the lot right now.
It's like,
My old.
where's she at? Excuse me, I got vlog. Doesn't this car look like that guy from like the California meets Dent Man? Like, I don't think he has the black on it. Like, it's a dent. Like right here. He be drifting and shit. He could be Maryland Dent Man. No! Fucking supremacist motherfuckers.
I think she has. Everybody told me. Everybody told me. There we go. Please.
Daddy! What the? This is the shit I deal with that meets this motherfucker.
What?
That was my fucking neighbor, fucking asshole. Ah, there he goes. Hey, yo, son, she's over here like laughing at herself.
I'm loving that shoe actually.
Why? Oh. Oh. No. Oh, this sucks. What? Hey, Coyote.
Oh. You either forgot or you just didn't want to do it.
What the fuck are these motherfuckers talking about? Huh?
We gotta find out where. We gotta go to Laurel then.
Laurel?
Yeah. 24-hour car wash.
So is the one in Granville.
What, in Crofton?
Yeah. That's where me and Alex went after the meeting.
The one
here.
right across from Mission Barbecue?
I don't know what Mission
That's
Barbecue.
where Roy Rogers is?
Kinda, yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
This looks like Dent Man. It's the Maryland version of Dent Man.
Shut up.
Dent Man!
Shut up.
Hey! That's not nice, Dick Lick.
Shut up.
You want to race?
Sure. Let's do it.
Wait. I gotta get the VTEC.
Sure.
Dent Man! Dent Man the Mustang! Hey. Mustang, Mustang, Mustang! I'm sorry. I'm done trolling.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.